How to work out your life path number. A complete guide. Numerology is the study of the mystical relationship between numbers and the world around us. It's a belief that numbers are not merely symbols for counting, but possess unique energies and vibrations that can reveal deeper insights about the world and individuals. One of the most popular concepts in numerology is the life path number. This number, derived from your birth date, is believed to influence your personality, relationships, challenges, and the overall path of your life. The life path number is often described as a blueprint for your life's journey, providing guidance on your strengths, weaknesses, and innate talents. Calculating your life path number can offer clarity, helping you understand your purpose and the opportunities that might arise along your life's journey. This guide will walk you through the process of calculating your life path number step by step, explaining how to reduce your birth date into a single digit or one of the master numbers. By the end of this, you'll understand not only how to calculate your life path number, but also what it means and how it can be used for personal growth and reflection. What is a life path number? Before delving into the specifics of how to calculate your life path number, it's important to understand what it represents in numerology. Your life path number is considered one of the most significant numbers in your numerology chart. It is derived from your birth date and offers insight into your natural strengths, weaknesses, talents, and potential life experiences. The life path number is believed to reflect your journey on this earth, offering guidance about the challenges you might face, the opportunities that lie ahead, and the essential lessons you are here to learn. It represents your overall destiny and potential, and it is said to shape much of who you are. In numerology, each number 1 to 9 has a specific vibration and symbolic meaning that influences different aspects of your life. Additionally, there are 3 master numbers, 11, 22, and 33, that are considered to have heightened spiritual significance and power. These numbers are not reduced to a single digit and are treated separately due to their unique qualities. How to calculate your life path number. The process of calculating your life path number involves reducing your full birth date to a single digit or a master number. The process may seem complicated at first, but it's quite straightforward once you break it down into manageable steps. Here is a step-by-step guide to calculating your life path number. Step 1. Write your full birth date. The first step is to write out your full birth date in numerical format. For example, if you were born on July 14, 1992, your birth date would be written as 07/14/1992. Step 2. Reduce the month, day, and year to single digits. Next, you will reduce the individual components of your birth date, the month, day, and year to single digits. To do this, you add the digits of each number together. Month. For the month of July 07, we simply reduce it by adding the 2 digits together. 0 plus 7 equals 7. For the 14th day, we add the digits together. 1 plus 4 equals 5. For the year 1992, we add the digits together. 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 equals 21. Since 21 is not a single digit, we reduce it further. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Step 3. Add the reduced digits together. Now that you have reduced each part of your birth date, month, day, and year to a single digit, you will add them together. Using the example birth date of July 14, 1992. 7 month plus 5 day plus 3 year equals 15. Step 4. Reduce the sum to a single digit. If the sum is greater than 9, you need to reduce it further. In this case, the sum is 15. We reduce it by adding the digits together. 1 plus 5 equals 6. So, the life path number for someone born on July 14, 1992 is 6. Step 5. Consider master numbers. If at any point in the process you end up with a master number 11, 22, or 33, you do not reduce it further. Master numbers carry a deeper spiritual significance and are not reduced to single digits. For example, if your month, day, or year reduces to 11, 22, or 33, you retain that number as your life path number. For instance, if you were born on November 11, 1980, your reduced birth date would be November 11, 1980. When you add up the components of the birth date, you would arrive at 11 instead of reducing it to a 2. Master numbers are considered to have higher spiritual potential and represent individuals who are often called to fulfill a greater life mission. Understanding the life path numbers. Now that you know how to calculate your life path number, let's dive into the meaning behind each number. Each life path number has its own distinct energy, traits, and characteristics. Here's an overview of what each life path number represents. Life Path 1. The leader. People with a life path 1 are often natural-born leaders. They possess independence, ambition, and determination, making them great pioneers and innovators. They are self-reliant and can sometimes come across as stubborn or overly focused on their own goals. Life Path 1 individuals are driven to achieve success and often excel in careers where they can take charge. Life Path 2. The peacemaker. Those with a life path 2 are diplomatic, sensitive, and empathetic. They are natural mediators and thrive in relationships where they can bring balance and harmony. People with this life path value cooperation and are often drawn to roles that involve helping others or creating peace. They may struggle with indecisiveness or being overly concerned about others' feelings. Life Path 3. The communicator. Creative and expressive, Life Path 3 individuals are often gifted with communication skills, whether through writing, speaking, or artistic expression. They are sociable and charismatic, with a natural ability to connect with others. However, they may struggle with focus or following through on their ideas. Life Path 4. The builder. Practical, hardworking, and detail-oriented, Life Path 4 individuals are the builders and organizers of the world. They thrive in structured environments and value stability and security. They are often drawn to careers in engineering, finance, or construction. However, they may struggle with rigidity or being overly critical of themselves or others. Life Path 5. The adventurer. People with a Life Path 5 are energetic, adventurous, and freedom-loving. They crave variety and excitement and may resist routines or restrictions. Life Path 5 individuals are adaptable and quick-witted, often excelling in careers that allow them to travel, explore, or work with diverse people and situations. However, they may struggle with restlessness or impulsiveness. Life Path 6. The nurturer. Compassionate, responsible, and caring, Life Path 6 individuals are often drawn to helping and nurturing others. They have strong family values and may find fulfillment in roles that involve teaching, healing, or caregiving. However, they may struggle with taking on too much responsibility or feeling overwhelmed by others' needs. Life Path 7. The seeker. Intellectual, introspective, and spiritual, Life Path 7 individuals are seekers of truth and knowledge. They are often drawn to careers that involve research, analysis, or deep thought. They value solitude and may struggle with connecting with others on an emotional level. However, they have a deep inner wisdom and are often highly intuitive. Life Path 8. The achiever. Life Path 8 individuals are ambitious, powerful, and goal-oriented. They are natural leaders and thrive in careers that allow them to be in charge or create wealth and success. They have a strong sense of purpose and are often drawn to positions of authority or entrepreneurship. However, they may struggle with work-life balance or being overly focused on material success. Life Path 9. The humanitarian. Compassionate, idealistic, and selfless, Life Path 9 individuals are often drawn to humanitarian causes and want to make the world a better place. They are highly intuitive and empathetic, with a deep understanding of others' emotions. However, they may struggle with letting go of the past or feeling disconnected from their purpose. Master numbers 11, 22, 33. Master number 11. The visionary. Individuals with a Life Path 11 are often highly intuitive, spiritual, and visionary. They are considered to have a heightened sense of awareness and are often drawn to fields such as art, metaphysics, or philosophy. However, they may struggle with balancing their sensitivity and their practical needs. Master number 22. The Master Builder. Life Path 22 is known as the Master Builder because those with this number have the potential to achieve great things. They are practical, disciplined, and have the ability to turn their dreams into reality. However, they may struggle with perfectionism or feeling burdened by their responsibilities. Master number 33. The Master Teacher. Life Path 33 individuals are considered to have a strong sense of duty and responsibility. They are compassionate and nurturing and often feel called to teach, heal, or help others. Their challenge lies in balancing their need to help others with taking care of themselves. Your life path number is a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. By understanding the significance of your life path number, you can gain insight into your strengths, weaknesses, and life purpose. Whether you are a natural leader, a compassionate nurturer, or an intuitive seeker, the life path number offers valuable guidance for navigating your life journey. By calculating your life path number, you have unlocked a key to understanding yourself more deeply, which can help you make more informed decisions, foster personal growth, and live a more fulfilled life.